Drew, when you told me we had a listing coming up in Hidden Valley, I think you left a few things out on this one.
Yeah, Darren, well, don't they say one of the most important things in marketing is shock and awe?
Well, my friend, you nailed this one. Get over here so that we can show this thing off. Drew, it's absolutely incredible all the changes done to this home. It's gonna be turning heads to these residents in Hidden Valley and drawing people from all over the Northwest, grasping at a chance to get this home.
You got that right. Staying true to the community name, this nearly 2,000 square foot bungalow sits in a secluded, almost unknown street backing onto Hidden Valley Lake.
Let's uncover the secret. As you can see, this is not your typical 1995 bungalow. This layout has been completely redesigned with the now open concept, luxurious living space, now seen in the modern show homes.
The attention to detail is everywhere, from this custom kitchen with its oversized island. Look at all of the storage you have in this cabinetry, even the millwork that's been done here for you.
Now, a few of the things you'll love about this main floor is a sought-after second bedroom with 4-piece ensuite, perfect for those weekend guests, or simply used as a main floor office or den. Plus main floor laundry and another bathroom for guests when entertaining. Because in this home, you know you will be.
And we can't forget about the primary bedroom and ensuite. This one does not disappoint. With its custom millwork, oversized walk-in closet, custom 5-piece bathroom, and let's top it all off with direct access out back to the lake. This is exactly how you're going to want to start every morning and finish every day.
Now, we told you this home was special, and we told you the location was too. Now that we're on this enormous deck taking in these views, you can see why we were so keen to show you. As one of just a handful of bungalows on this lake, and even fewer on this ultra quiet street, the next homeowner will truly have a one-of-a-kind sanctuary.
Typically, we say by the time a visitor has explored the entire above-grade spaces, they know if they want their home or not. And that typically would be the case. You certainly could say that this time, but you'd be missing out.
Look at this place. Now, just like the upstairs, this has been taken down right to the studs and redesigned with a modern layout. And not only that, the custom millwork and cabinetry continues throughout the entire basement, as seen by the wet bar, the second office or craft space, a second laundry room, and an additional bedroom.
And you'd think that was all, but it's not. There are 3 more amazing features of this home we wanted to point out. Under the redone deck upstairs, you'll find this oversized covered patio, once again perfect for entertaining and taking in the lake views. This unique stairwell and mudroom that brings you conveniently up to the oversized double garage.
And this tucked away multi-tiered media room. And this is not your typical space. 3 walls of concrete, one with upgraded insulation, perfect to jack up the music or turn up the volume on your favorite feature film.
So now that you finished the tour, you can see why we're so excited to show you this almost 4,000 square feet of living space, 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom house with an amazing lake view.
The only thing you need to do is book your private tour with us so we can show you this beautiful home.